Alright, so today's topic is BIM work group meeting. Woo, someone is on point today. No silly jokes. Now, this is a video that is an extension to another video that I did about yesterday. Alright, so the BIM work group meetings are the meetings that have been held after the BIM initiation meeting is done. Now, unlike the BIM initiation meeting, the BIM work group meetings can be held more than once in the entire project life cycle. So that's one difference. The main agenda of holding this meeting is tracking the progress. These three words, get them in your mind. Tracking the progress. Yes, gentlemen, in this meeting we discuss and we see how much BIM processes have been completed or have been taking place since the last time we held this BIM work group meeting or the time since the BIM initiation meeting. So tracking the progress is the main agenda of this kind. So another agenda of this meeting is to use this meeting as a mechanism to identify all of the forthcoming challenges in the near future and discuss the strategies in order to avoid them, and if they happen, how to deal with them. Also, the BIM work group meetings has to be held within 2 weeks to 3 weeks depending upon the size of the project that we are dealing with, but the more frequently they are being held, like for example in 2 weeks, it's very good for the project. So well, we have discussed the agendas, but who are the people that will be included in this meeting? So these are the following people that will be included in this meeting. Basically these are majority of the project team members, but the BIM leader, BIM validator, information manager, all of the BIM consultant needs, the contractor, the cost manager, certainly not the least, I did not put him in the first, that's ironic, the project manager. These are the people that will be included in this meeting. So that's about it for this video. Hope you guys learned something new, and this has been Naman Singhal from Rising Gulf, and I will see you guys in the next video, so take care.